You won't believe what just happened on Wall Street. They're actually falling over in XRP. It just did something that experts claimed was impossible. I'm talking about a change so massive that even Bitcoin is getting left behind. But that's only the beginning. The fresh market data that recently came out shows that XRP isn't only competing, it's doing better than Bitcoin right now. And the whole bull run. No one is talking about it, but I'm going to show you the numbers, and they are going to blow your mind. And if you thought that was crazy, look at this. Vert, one of Brazil's top players, just lost a $130 million deal on the XRP ledger. This is the first time we've seen real-world assets move on-chain like this. This is a new level of adoption, and it's happening right now. I also got an XRP update in the sneak peek at the EVM integration. This might change everything for XRP holders. The smartest money is coming in for a purpose. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why XRP is changing the rules, and why the biggest shock is still to come. Welcome to the bull, as usual. Winkle plan. If you know someone near here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. And if you were coming back for more, this is good information. You hit the thumbs up button. The more thumbs up we get, the better the videos do. Let's get over 1,000 thumbs up in this video, and send it viral. If we get over 1,000 thumbs up in this video, let's do this. And you write a comment. I know that a lot of comments are spam. I'll choose a winner from the comments, and send them out. A XRP t-shirt is one of the many designs we have for sale in our store. Let's do it that way. More than 1,000 likes. We choose a winner. You need to leave a remark, and then we'll pick a winner, and send out some stuff. That's quite cool. I like it. Let's get it done. Let's move on from the costs. Bitcoin is worth $118,000 right now. 400 or 507 changes straight away, and Ethereum is going up to 3,630. It's down approximately 1% right now, while XRPs are down by double digits. People are going crazy. Oh no, XRP is about to end. That's what people are saying out there. Don't worry, everything is okay. Everything is fine. We are going to hear, what do we do now? Before the end of the week, we shall know for sure what the XRP bottom will be at the end of the week. I talked about this on the webcast last night. 3008 is where I got the bottom going. I think we might have had a wick down lower while I was sleeping. To be honest, I haven't glanced at the charts, so I'm not sure. We'll be there in a minute. But that's it. After 28, that's as far as I think we can go. By the end of the week on Sunday we'll know where the bottom will be. But then there was a breakout. I told you that it would happen in 4 to 8 weeks. You got the breakout range, which is $450 to $13. That's where we're headed. Get ready, strap in, and lock in. Now, an XRP whale just launched a long position for $424 million at 3008, which is the same number I had on my bottom. What do they know? You know what? I'm going to be honest with you. They probably don't know much. They presumably just know how to do technical analysis. They're looking at all the different indications, and seeing that this seems like the bottom give or taken. That does break 28, but their lungs would still remain open down there. So they're taking a chance, you know. I like what they are doing. Take a look at this XRP chart. For those of you who are staring at the screen, let me zoom in. Let's find out where we are. Do you see these lovely little yellow dots? That teaches you how to assist and resist on the way up. You need to remember this level the most. When 3063 breaks on XRP, it's time to fly. Your support is going down, and we're looking at approximately 2097, right? Right where we said it would be. And then on top of that, I thought we had another one in here that might be hidden. There was another yellow dot that was close to 3008. That's all there is to it. That is our narrow range. This is what I'm looking at. We can take a tiny measurement here. Boom. There is a gap of around 22% between the bottom and the top. This will be gone in a matter of seconds, and it will all happen in the next 4 to 8 weeks. Put it on your fridge and write it down. Rip is assuring you right now that he will be 100% right. Write that down, everyone, and hold me to it. It will be here in 4 to 8. You get a price spike. About XRP, it's going to happen the day before my birthday, the 11th of October. That is the day. Just before that, boom, XRP is going to give me what I want on my birthday. This goes out with smoke. Market data shows that XRP is doing better than Bitcoin during this bull cycle. Oh no, Frankie, please don't say that. Don't say that. Take a break from what you're doing. Take a moment to think about this. This should be blowing your mind because of this. We've heard the news before. Bitcoin is the best. Yes. 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 What if I told you that cold hard data says XRP is the best? XRP is doing better than Bitcoin in bull cycle. 3 times, not once or twice. This isn't a one-time thing, people. It's a pattern. Let me draw this picture for you. Picture this. You're watching the Super Bowl, and out of nowhere, the underdog pulls off one of the biggest upsets in history, as when the Giants beat the Patriots and Tom Brady lost his perfect season. Not just once but 3 years in a row. The whole globe is suddenly captivated to this TV, and every sports network is trying to figure out how they did it. That just happened on Wall Street. XRP went above and beyond what was expected. It ran past Bitcoin, and now the biggest names in finance have to pay notice. And to make it even more vivid, picture your neighborhood burger restaurant selling more burgers than McDonald's for 3 Saturdays in a row. Right away, every culinary critic and every investor in every competing franchise is queued up at the entrance, really wanting to know what they had to eat. A little information. That's what XRP is right now. XRP didn't simply do better than Bitcoin. It also went against everything Wall Street said to do. Bitcoin has been a big deal on Wall Street for years. Billionaires on CNBC, everyone in suits on the trading floor follows the same script. But the evidence doesn't lie now. You can't ignore how well XRP is doing. It's like a new band releasing a hit that keeps Taylor Swift from becoming #1 for 3 weeks in a row. Now everyone in the business is paying attention, and the old rules, they get hurled out the window. So here's something you can take away. When the data changes the story, so does the cap. People on Wall Street, investment managers, and even doubters are all looking at XRP because they have to. Not because they want to, though many of them do, but because they have to now. They go where the cash is. People, they follow the money. The information is on your script. The script is different now. You know something huge is going to happen when Wall Street has to chase. The price of XRP is $3. Are you serious? I told you that every dip you see from now on is a chance to get as much as you can before prices go up so high that they will never come back down. They aren't going to go back down, people. That is the truth, plain and simple. I wish I could say they were, but sadly they aren't. We have this update. Almost 310,000 traders have been wiped out in the previous 24 hours, taking out approximately $1 billion in longs. Now that we've spoken about the playbook, the stories and